I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible.
It's that time of year again. Finally, after 2 years, the Chad Powell Special Olympics track meet will be happening Tuesday, March 22nd, 2022. If you would like to volunteer for this event, you can pick up an instruction form for the application at Mr. Swartz's room M237. Applications can be picked up before school, during passing periods, or after school. You cannot leave class to pick up an application. But remember, before you can apply, you need to attend a mandatory meeting, and the deadline to apply online in Aries will be February 18th, 2022. There are no exceptions. Are you struggling in class or having a tough time understanding the material? The National Honor Society is organizing a tutoring program for any TCHS students, whether they need help themselves or would like to help other students understand. Students can decide to meet whenever they want, whether that means once a week for the rest of the year or twice for a single test. You can use the link below or the QR codes being posted around the school.
Oh hey! Seniors, honor cords are officially up for sale right now. Make sure to check with your sponsors or your coaches for eligibility and how to pay. Payments and orders should be made by February 15th of 2022. Now go get your cords and make sure you have them to graduate with.
Interested in cheer? Well, on January 26th, there will be a tryout meeting in the lecture hall at 6:30 p.m. On February 16th is when all and any paperwork is due, as well as t-shirt orders. Each of those should be in by 4 p.m. And on March 7th to March 10th is the official tryout week. If you have any questions, contact Coach Fickle at alicia.fickle@kellerisd.net.